My dad started the business back in 1980 with 2 employees. We're up to about 13 now. We started off with the sheds in about 2000, mainly doing cedar work, but we've seen a bigger opportunity going with wood and with the LP Smart panel and the vinyl side. Sizes mainly are from anywhere from a 4x6 shed up to a 28 by 36. And we do the modulars, the 2 stories, completed, finished, or in a kit form to ship wherever. Generally in the summertime, in a busy time of the year, it can go up to 6 weeks. The fall and in the winter, it's usually about 2 to 4 weeks.